Before you scroll away, stick with me for just a few minutes, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether the Apple TV 4K 2025 deserves a place beneath your screen. And not only that, you'll walk away with pro-level settings and simple tweaks that can instantly make your picture richer, your dialogue clearer, and your entire home theater setup feel effortlessly premium. This isn't another "can it open Netflix" review. Every streaming box does that. This is about what happens after 1,000 nights of use. About motion that feels real, colors that stay true, and sound that respects every whisper and explosion. Let's dive in. The secret setting. Everyone misses start with one switch most people ignore but never forget once they try it. Turn on Match Dynamic Range and Match Frame Rate. Then, set your default format to 4K SDR. This keeps menus crisp while automatically switching to HDR or Dolby Vision when needed. The result? Movies look cinematic, sports stay smooth, and colors stop jumping between apps. And that annoying soap opera effect? Gone in seconds. True-to-life colors in 30 seconds. Next, use the iPhone Color Balance tool, your free built-in calibrator. Open Settings, Video and Audio, Color Balance. Hold your iPhone where it asks and let it sync. In 30 seconds, you'll see whites lose their blue tint, skin tones look natural, and shadow detail return. It's like getting your display professionally tuned without touching confusing TV menus. Try it once and you'll never go back. Dialogue you can finally. Hear audio is where most setups stumble, but Apple TV 4K quietly fixes that. Turn on Enhanced Dialogue to lift voices from the chaos. And if you ever find yourself saying, "Wait, what did he just say?" use the magic rewind phrase. It jumps back a few seconds and temporarily enables captions. You'll catch every line, no menu diving required. Pair it with a Dolby Atmos soundbar or receiver, and the sound field widens into pure immersion. At night, connect your AirPods instantly. Even share with another pair, each with independent volume. It's effortless comfort for movie night. The remote. You actually like. The aluminum Siri Remote feels like a mini luxury. USB-C charging, weeks of battery life, and a precise click-pad ring. Rest your thumb and spin through thumbnails, scrub to exactly where you want. Voice commands work flawlessly. Play The Martian in 4K. Skip ahead 90 seconds. Show me drone footage of Utah. Lose the remote? Your iPhone instantly becomes one. Speed is the invisible luxury. This box is fast. Apps launch quickly. Switching between YouTube TV, Disney Plus, and Prime Video feels buttery smooth. No random ads, no lag. Just content. The home screen is clean and customizable. Your top row. Your rules. Sports, YouTube, and personal media. All polished for sports lovers. GadgetVerse approved tip, turn on Match Frame Rate. You'll get lifelike motion and 4K crispness every game. YouTube TV channel changes are instant, and multi-view lets you watch multiple matches at once. Even for Plex or Infuse users, local media playback looks as slick as streaming services minus the ads. The smart home Brain Apple TV 4K doubles as your HomeKit hub. Automations run faster because they stay local. With Thread and Matter, smart lights, locks, and sensors from different brands just work. Say, "Hey Siri, movie night," and watch lights dim, blinds close, and your movie begin. Doorbell rings mid-game? Picture-in-picture pops up instantly. Unified audio control, enable ARC or EARC on your TV to route every device's sound through your HomePods. One volume, one ecosystem. If voices ever drift, fix it in a minute with wireless audio sync using your iPhone mic. The 5-minute setup, plug it in, hold your iPhone near, and setup completes automatically. Enable Match Dynamic Range and Match Frame Rate. Set default to 4K SDR, run Color Balance, turn on Enhanced Dialogue, and disable autoplay previews for a calm home screen. Organize your top 5 apps, and you're done. The Apple ecosystem Edge AirPlay videos in seconds. FaceTime on your TV with Continuity Camera. Fitness Plus displays Apple Watch metrics in real time. With SharePlay, watch movies with friends remotely, perfectly synced. Everything just fits. The verdict: Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't the cheapest box, but it's the one that disappears. No crashes, no lag, no drama, just reliability. It's the box that gets out of the way night after night, so you remember the movie, not the menu. If you value picture accuracy, sound quality, and peace of mind, this is the upgrade that feels worth it the first week you use it. Because sometimes the best tech is the one that simply behaves.